Chapter 1: Types of Computers. Children, you must have seen different types of computers at different places. Some computers are very big, while the others are small and portable. Small enough to put in your pocket, or even to wear around your wrist, or as a pair of glasses. The size of a computer that a person or an organization needs depends on the computing requirements. For example, the National Weather Forecasting Agency, keeping watch on the weather fronts of many states and cities, has requirements different from those of a car dealer's service department. That is, trying to keep track of its inventory parts, and the requirements of both of them are different from the needs of a salesperson using a small laptop computer to record client's order on a sales trip. So, you can very well understand that computers are not only designed in different shapes and sizes, but also for different purposes, with different capabilities and costs. In this chapter, you will study about different types of computers. Types of computers. Based on functionality. On the basis of their functionality, computers are of three types: analog computers, digital computers, hybrid computers. Analog computers. Analog computers are used to process analog data. These computers store data in a continuous form of physical quantities and perform calculations with the help of measures. These computers are good in the situations which require data to be measured directly, without converting into numbers or codes. They are frequently used to control process, such as in oil refinery, where flow and temperature measurements are important. Digital computers. Computers that store data in terms of digits, numbers, and proceed in discrete steps from one state to the next are called as digital computers. They can process numeric as well as non-numeric data. They can perform arithmetical and logical operations. Microcomputer, laptop, digital wristwatch, and calculator are examples of digital computers. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computers are the combination of digital and analog computers. They combine the best features of both. That is, they have speed of analog computers and memory accuracy of digital computers. They are used mainly in specialized applications where both kinds of data need to be processed. For example, at petrol pump, a processor is used which converts fuel flow measurements into quantity, and price value, and in hospital intensive care unit (ICU), an analog device is used which measures patient's blood pressure and temperature, etc., which are then converted and displayed in form of digits. They are also used for scientific calculations in defense and radar systems. Based on size. On the basis of size, computers are of 5 types: microcomputers, mainframe computers, wearable computers, mini-computers, supercomputers. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are small in size and depend on single chip, known as microprocessor. They are generally single-user computers. Hence, they are also called personal computers or PCs. They are mainly used at homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, etc. Some examples of microcomputers are desktops. Desktops are designed in such a way that the system unit, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and all other devices fit entirely on a desk or table. They are mainly used in schools, houses, offices, etc. Data bank. Smartphone is also a microcomputer that usually provides personal information management functions such as a calendar, an address book, a calculator, etc. Laptops and notebooks. Laptops and notebooks are smaller in size than desktops and can be carried anywhere. They run on rechargeable batteries. Tablet PCs. Tablet PCs or tablet computers are special types of notebook computers which are equipped with camera, microphone, and touchscreen. You can interact with tablet by touching the screen with your finger or a digital pen. PDAs. PDAs refers to personal digital assistants. They are handheld computers that use touchscreen technology instead of keyboard and pointing devices. They lack the power of desktop or laptop computers, but offer features for users who need limited functions and small size. Rebooting. Workstations. A workstation is essentially any computer. It generally has been considered a computer that requires a lot of power for processing files, such as drafting, desktop publishing, graphic designing, video editing, and programming. Because of large amount of resources needed, these workstations may not have a disk drive and could be connected to centralized system that has enough space and power to handle the software and storage requirements. Mini computers. Mini computers are more powerful than microcomputers and can support more than one user at a time. They have a larger storage capacity. These computers are used for a variety of applications. For example, to develop computer-aided design, scientific research, air ticket reservations, etc. They can be used as network servers and internet servers. Data bank. The computing spectrum of mini computers lies between that of a mainframe computer and a personal computer. Hence, they are also known as mid-range computers. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large central computers with more memory, storage space, and processing power. They are primarily used by large organizations to perform critical tasks. All mainframes have the ability to host multiple operating systems. Mainframes are designed to handle high-volume input and output and emphasize throughout computing. A single mainframe can replace dozens or even hundreds of smaller servers. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are bestest and more powerful computers. They are very expensive computers and are employed for specialized applications. For example, weather forecasting, scientific simulation, etc. They are the computers with accelerated hardware and are capable of increasing the speed of the system that governs artificial intelligence. Examples of supercomputers are Param, Pratyush, Fugaku, Titan, etc. Wearable computers. A record-setting step in the evolution of computers was the creation of wearable computers. They are especially used for applications that require more complex computational support. They provide constant computer or user interaction. Some examples of wearable computers are Apple Watch, Google Glass, etc. Data bank. The ARM machines, cars, washing machines, etc. have embedded computers for navigation and entertainment. They are called real-time computer systems. Resolve it.